You and I are going to work together to craft a session on creating preference through your loyalty program. And that is something that you've noticed in particular because you are in such a highly competitive market.
Yes, I'm really, really excited about that session. I think, the name loyalty program, I think, is misleading. If casinos believe that their program will create true loyalty.
Right.
And in competitive markets, as you know, most gamblers are visiting multiple properties.
Hmm.
So we don't it's unlikely we will ever have like true 100% loyalty from many of our players. And they're all getting the free play offers and other perks from other properties. So really, if we sort of don't consider loyalty, I think it opens up a lot of opportunities if we consider it instead as creating preference. So what is my programming doing that's going to sort of capture maybe the unincentivized trip that a gambler has in the market? Or if all else is equal, how am I going to capture the trip? How am I going to influence trial,
Right.
reactivation? And I think there's a lot to be done in the loyalty program because many casinos, their entry level, their lower tiers within the program, look very much the same. And anytime you're in an environment where there's just lots of similarities like that, there's tremendous opportunity to differentiate. And I think there's some real power in looking at things that way.
And we're going to look at one or two markets that are extremely highly competitive in that their casinos are sometimes just steps away from each other. And it's not the Las Vegas Strip, it is a locals market. So it's something that I think will be really relevant to our attendees.
Yes, I agree. I'm really excited about doing that session with you and hopefully presenting some really interesting and maybe some new ideas for the participants.
Definitely.